So that was the squeaking noise from the alternator. You could hear that. I thought it's the pulley, but actually it turns out to be one of the bearings. So I don't know if you could see on the camera, but the grooves on the pulley looks like quite worn, so I have to replace them as well. Bearings, I might end up buying the whole rebuild kit with the brushes. Let's see. Well, I think I have space to use the original slide hammer from the kit. Let's open. Yes. So that's one bearing out. Without any damages at all to the slip ring. Right, next have to take off these 4 bolts so we could take apart the stator from the case. I have to make sure that the stator is clocked with the stator windings are clocked with these three holes here. Right, that's a wrap for today. have the wheel bearing. The big one, I'll keep it still here. I just took the numbers off so I can order online the proper bearings, and once I get them I'll put that one off and replace it. That's the back cover, actually that's the front cover, that's where the pulley is. Right, seems like that's gonna be a couple of days waiting for the parts to come. Thanks for watching and see you later, guys.